this is just a quick video on why not to buy this Android unit. This Android unit is sold on AliExpress. It's for a 2012 Discovery 4 and a Range Rover Sport. Well, that's what it said in the title, but when I got it, the engineer basically said it doesn't work with a Range Rover Sport. I tried to explain to him basically the unit is the same thing, but we had problems with the OEM interface shown, which you can access using the original button. He sent me an update for that, which fixed that, which is absolutely fine. So other than that, the rest of it is Android, so it should work absolutely fine. The second problem I had was with the unit overheating. So we had 30-degree heat here, and the unit was just constantly rebooting in a loop. He then sent me another update for that, which I assume fixed it. I also turned the screen brightness down to 50%, which hopefully might have helped it a little bit as well. The third problem I had was with the microphone. So the microphone on the unit is on the left-hand side, which would normally be a problem because we are right-hand drive cars. But this microphone doesn't work properly anyway. To get it to pick up anything, you need to be this close to the microphone. You have to literally be touching it. But in the end, I bought a USB microphone, which works absolutely fine, and it's probably a lot better anyway. The fourth problem I had was with the GPS antenna. So the one they supplied didn't go through the Range Rover windscreen. It had very poor signal. Bought a new one from Amazon. It works absolutely fine, which is a lot better. The next problem is with Google Voice, or anything, or mostly everything that uses audio that's built into this unit, or audio / microphone. So if you go to app and we go to voice search, you'll be able to hear an internal relay clicking inside the unit. I don't know what it's for. I don't know if it's used to activate the little speaker, or I'm not particularly sure, but it does cause a few problems. So for example, it works fine on this. Hello. So if you heard it, it clicks a little relay at the beginning, you then speak, then once it doesn't recognise any more voice, it then clicks the relay again. If I had music playing, it would have stopped the music, which I assume is meant to, which ain't a problem on this. The main problem is on the phone app. So I won't go into the phone app because I'm using my phone to record this. But basically, if I make a phone call, so the phone app works fine. So I open up the phone, I dial a number, and I press the call button. It then makes that click sound, the relay sound. And as soon as it does that, you get no audio come through the speakers. So that means the person ringing you, you can't hear. They can hear you, but you just can't hear them. When you end the call, it then clicks again, and then music resumes, and you can then hear everything. So there's definitely a problem somewhere, which I think is probably more likely going to be an app problem, and the way it utilises that relay inside maybe. This is a reasonably new unit, so it could be a major problem with these units, but they do advertise that it works to make phone calls, which obviously it doesn't. This isn't currently hooked up to a car, so it isn't a car problem. It's all through the Android, this part, so I don't recommend buying this unit. This unit's all over AliExpress. Yeah, do not buy it. There's problems, and if they say it's not compatible with your car, it is. It works fine, but apart from this phone situation, as you can see, media works fine. And I've got it hooked up to aux to the speakers. I did initially have problems with the Satnav, but it seems to work alright now. It was also doing the clicking thing originally. I don't know if it's because I had no signal or I didn't have the aux plugged in.
Head north on Gainsborough Avenue towards High Street, B1014.
You see, that's what it's meant to do. I'd assume it's meant to do that with phone calls as well. but it's just not mixing properly. So if you go there, you can trill the apps. Yeah, so that is the main problem with this unit. I don't really know what the solution is going to be on this, but I suppose it doesn't matter in so many ways. You can use your built-in phone system, but it's annoying. These units ain't cheap, and this is a pretty big problem, especially if they advertise it. So, and all the other bits I had to replace just to get this unit working. But yeah, I do not recommend this unit, so please do not buy.